Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I fix my lace closures. So here is my bald spot. I actually overplucked it a long time ago and now it's just like balding. So what I did is I have a track and I'm going to put some 30-second bond glue on it. And I'm just going to fold the track so the track is doubled now. And I'm just going to press it together and allow it to dry. And then I'm going to get my flat iron and press it down even flatter. Alright, so now I'm going to place the glue on this track and then place the track where I need it. And then I'm just going to let it sit there. So what I'm doing is just pressing it down just to be sure that it's laying flat and that it's actually getting dry. Alright, so this is how it's looking. And I'm going to wear it as the middle part. So I'm just going to flip my hair over to cover the track. And this is how it looks.